Vivi, you know I love you, and this is a special video for you on your special day. And I have list of questions which we are going to start, and I think we should start with the questions. So I have few lists, and we should start with it. So the first question, what I think is the word or a phrase Tanya says the most. दिमाग मत खराब कर. I think that's the most frequent phrase she says.
First question है the word or phrase Tanya Didi says the most.
वेस्ट दिल्ली
South Delhi.
एक्चुअली बहुत मेरी शादी में वेस्ट दिल्ली वाली हरकतें मत करना.
और अगर अच्छे से कपड़े नहीं पहने तो मेरी शादी पे आना ही मत. This is the best.
The thing that Tanya Didi hates the most is when someone clicks a bad picture of her. Like she's standing with an accurate pose and that gorgeous smile of her, but according to her, the photographer is dumb who cannot click a good picture.
The phrase or word Tanvi uses the most, ये तो मुझे याद नहीं, but she's always like कि हैं सच्ची सही बता.
The word or the phrase which Tanya uses the most is, and it's actually very funny, is यार अब मैं तुझे क्या बताऊँ यार.
The word Tanya Didi says the most is यार. उनका कोई भी सेंटेंस कभी भी यार के बिना इज़ वेरी इनकम्प्लीट. अगर तान्या दीदी किसी सेंटेंस में यार नहीं बोल रही हैं तो दैट्स वेरी अब नॉर्मल.
मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि द वर्ड और फ्रेज दैट शी सेज द वर्ड बेसिकली मेरे को वो जब ज़्यादा वर्ड वो क्या यूज़ करते हैं. बेसिकली मेरे को तो लगा कि वो ओए सुनिया बोलते हैं. वो अब मैंने इतना बोल के मैरिज को होते हुए देखा था. जैसे अगर वो किसी अननोन को बोल रही है तो वो ऑब्वियसली उनको अपने नेम से लाइए ऐसे जैसे हर कोई करता है. शी इज़ अ वेरी काइंड नॉर्मल गर्ल.
So your favorite or funniest memory together. So the funniest and favorite memory of ours is the day we met together, and that was our first meeting. And both of us thought that we should not meet again, but unfortunately and fortunately we are together today.
The funny memory I have with Sehgal, there are many, but to pick one out here is when we were in college and traveling by metro early morning one day, surprisingly, and she did not realize that she was actually her leg was actually touching another man's leg, and the man was enjoying it so much, even he didn't say anything. And as soon as she realized, she started running in the entire metro, and she was so loud that I just couldn't stop laughing. Probably it does not sound funny here, but then the moment was very funny. I'm sure she remembers that.
Your favorite or funniest memory together?
I think my most recent and the best memory was the night shift. We had like a New Year band before the wedding, and that was the best memory because we did a lot of things. We sneaked in a lot of things. We decided the Sangeet sequence. I think we even prank called Jiju, and yeah, so that was the most recent of all the memories. This is the most recent and the most favorite memory I have.
For me, the night before Mehendi, when she wanted to plan a very emotional dance, and everybody was in their feelings. Everybody was so emotional. It was the best.
My favorite or funniest memory with Tanvi, there are many. Like she used to call me कि मेरी मेकअप में हेल्प कर दियो, और she was always like कि मेकअप ना बहुत लाइट करियो. But she never needs a light makeup. पूरा हाईलाइटर होना चाहिए, and till the end वो हाईलाइटर में नहा चुकी होती थी. और फिर हमारे नाइट स्टेज उनकी शादी से पहले वाले, there was so much fun. और अभी तो पेंडिंग भी है एक.
मैं एक दिन ना नानी के घर गई थी. तो मैंने क्या किया था कि मैं ऊपर गई थी दीदी से मिलने. तो क्या हुआ था, दीदी ने पूछा था कि ब्रेकफास्ट में आप क्या खाओगे. तो फिर मैंने कहा था मैं मैगी खाऊंगी और पीने के लिए मैं कोक पीऊँगी। तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, आपके लिए बना देंगे हम लोग मैगी और कोक मंगवा देंगे, ठीक है। तो उसके बाद दीदी ने थोड़ी देर के बाद बोला कि अच्छा ऐसा ना कर ले हम लोग कि मैगी में हम लोग कोल्ड ड्रिंक डाल के हम लोग उससे खाएं। तो ये मुझे उनकी बात बहुत ही ज़्यादा फनी लगी।
ताना दी के साथ मेमोरीज वर लाइक ऑसम। आप कोई भी एक सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि ये सिलेक्ट करो कि ये बेस्ट है या ये सिलेक्ट करो ये बेस्ट है। नो, ईच एंड एवरी मेमोरी इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल विद हर। आई टेल यू, उनके साथ शी गेव मी द कॉन्फिडेंस कि तू स्कूटी चला सकती है, तो मैंने चलाई। उनके साथ नाइट स्टेज इतना मज़ा करवाती हैं वो अपने नाइट स्टेज में। आई लव इट। एंड बड़ी मम्मा और बड़े पापा की 25th एनिवर्सरी पे हमने डांस प्रिपेयर करना था। तो जो डांस उन्होंने किया था ना, ओ माई गॉड, आई कांट टेल यू। डांस प्रैक्टिस में हम इतने पागल हो गए थे। सो व्हेन यू आर विद हर यू विल ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी, दैट्स फॉर श्योर।
My favorite memory with her is borrowing her clothes. Like every time I have to go somewhere, I don't like my clothes. I like Tanya Didi's clothes. इनकी शादी से पहले भी I took bundles of clothes from her, which I really really love, and she insists me. I don't know why, but she wants तू पहन, देखो ये अच्छा लगेगा, तू पहन ले बस.
Third question is the thing she hates the most. The thing she hates the most is when I don't complete the conversation and I walk off. So that's the thing which she hates the most about me. But don't worry, I'll try and make it out, Bibi. So don't worry.
The thing Saigil hates the most is probably when someone is not being honest to her, and when someone intentionally hurts her. That's something which she hates the most.
The thing she hates the most.
Whenever she goes for shopping and she does not buy anything, she gets a headache. So let's say whenever she has to go for shopping, she has to buy something. So yeah, she hates the most if she does not buy anything.
Also, she hates the fact that कोई भी आके शिवस को कुत्ता बोल देता है। बेचारे उनके बेबी को कोई कुत्ता बोलने में बहुत बुरा।
The thing I hate about her, there's nothing that I hate about her, but she's never satisfied with any photo. Every time इस एंगल से भी ले ले, उस एंगल से भी ले ले, यहाँ से अच्छी नहीं आई, यहाँ से लाइट अच्छी नहीं आई.
So the thing Tana Di hates the most, सही बोलूँ तो the thing नहीं, things होना चाहिए. शिवस को कुत्ता बोलना, उन्हें जल्दी उठाना सुबह सुबह, देन उनकी सही एंगल सही लाइटिंग में पिक्चर नहीं खींचना. दीज आर सम ऑफ देम. बहुत है बहुत.
The thing that she hates the most, वैसे मेरे को इतना कुछ पता नहीं कि उन्हें क्या बुरा लगता है क्या नहीं लगता, बट हाँ इतना मैंने उनको उनकी शादी के टाइम पे देखा था कि she hates that कि जब उनको ना ऐसा होता है जब उनकी फ़ोटो ना अच्छी सी नहीं आती है, कि जब देखो जैसे आप कह रहे हैं यहाँ से फ़ोटो खींचते हैं, यहाँ से लाइट अच्छी आ रही है, यहाँ से लाइट अच्छी आ रही है, कि मैं यहाँ से जब उनकी फ़ोटो ना किसी अच्छी सी आए तो रिफ्लेक्शन लाइट पार्ट उसके बाद अच्छी उनसे फ़ोटो को भी दी वैसे 100% अच्छी सी होनी चाहिए. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है बट हाँ आई थिंक दैट शी हेट दैट. तो वैसे हर लड़की को अपनी फ़ोटो अच्छी चाहिए होती है, बट स्टिल.
A word or phrase that Taneri says the most is yaar. Like every sentence has to have the word yaar in it. She's always irritated, and that is why yaar is just stuck to her lips. Like naturally निकलता है हर चीज़ में यार.
Question is, one thing you love about her is her nature, and I know she has a very adjusting nature and she's going to be with me in my bad and my good situation. One thing you hate about her and tolerate about her. Hate? 1, 2, 3. No. Today is day of love. We will spread love, no hatred. Which I tolerate about her is her Instagram and her makeup videos, which I am tolerating.
One thing I love about her is that no matter whatever the situation is, she has always stood by me, and in fact, all her friends, she has stood by them, and that's her best quality. The thing which I hate the most about her, there are a lot many, but then to count out one is her habit of making excuses. She is so good at it, and I hate that. One thing I tolerate about Sehgal is that when she says she's gonna call me in 2 minutes, and that 2 minute actually never comes, but then I have to tolerate it because I can't even spend a single day without talking to her. So stop doing that.
One thing you love, hate, and tolerate about her.
I'll start with tolerate. Whenever she goes shopping, she'll take 10, 15, almost 20 rounds of the same shop and at such a fast pace that you cannot catch her. And within seconds, you will see her nowhere around. So you have to keep a track where she is, and this is the one thing that I have to tolerate whenever I go shopping with her. And she's so impatient that once I remember we were baking a cake or something at her place, and she did not care about what ingredients had to go in, what is the quantity. She just randomly put in all the ingredients, and this was such a disaster. And then all the blame came on me that I recommended the recipe. So I think I hate this fact that she's so impatient, especially while cooking, especially in the kitchen. But above everything, I think I love everything about her. Okay, she's the most genuine, kind person, and we really, really miss you. And I love how warm she is and how I don't know. I mean, there's no word to say. There are no words to say that how much we love you.
Yeah. Okay. So she looks like she is the most busiest person because she is always on the phone and she is always on the call, working or talking to people. But that's the thing I hate about her. But I can't do anything because she's my sister. I have to tolerate it. So it's both the things. And I love how caring she is, how sweet she is to everybody, and hilarious.
So the next question is, what do I love, hate, and tolerate about her? So I'll start with tolerate. I tolerate her getting hundreds of pictures clicked and selecting one, and sometimes not even selecting one, and she'll be like, ये सारी की सारी पिक्चर्स मुझे पसंद नहीं आई, कोई और खींचो. Okay, so this is about tolerate. Then I'll go with hate. What I hate about her? Well, she's a personality that cannot, like, you can't hate her. She is so good that you cannot even hate one thing about her. You can tolerate her, but not hate, not at all. The one thing I love about her is how she is involved in, everyone. Like, she treats our problems, our happiness, and every emotion like her own. She shares with us everything, and if you are close enough with her, she'll be like the best advisor, the best partner in crime, the best, just she's the best, and I love her so much.
So, the thing I love about her is her caring nature. Like, she literally cares for every person, like from the youngest to the oldest, everyone. She's very caring. The thing I hate about her is also what I love about her, that is her height, because I don't have it and I'm jealous. The thing I tolerate about Tanya Lee is like completely Tanya Lee. Like, I tolerate a lot of things about her, mostly her phone. Like, whenever anyone is talking, she has to have her phone with her every time. Either she's talking to someone or maybe scrolling Instagram or anything, but she can't live without her phone.
The thing I love about her is that she's always ready to help you. कितनी बार आई वाज लाइक कि तानवी मेरे पास तो कोई आउटफिट ही नहीं है, मैं क्या पहनूँ। और मुझे मेरे पास आ जा, मेरे पास है, तू ट्राई कर ली, जो तेरे को अच्छा लगे पहन लियो। द थिंग आई टॉलरेट अबाउट हर, there are many that you need to tolerate with her. Her mood swings, her tantrums, her no makeup but makeup, light but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. The thing she hates, I don't think she hates anything. If she doesn't like anything, she moves on. कि छोड़ो, कुछ और कर लेंगे. और there may be things that she may dislike, but I don't think she hates anything.
Happy birthday, Tanya. May God bless you.
So the list ends here, and I think this is what I want to say about her. And I really love you, Vivi, and happy 26th birthday. Hope you have a lot of gifts on 26th birthday, and all your wishes come true.